Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to delete multiple tasks at once in your Asana project. This is a handy feature when you have several tasks that are no longer needed and you want to clean up your workspace. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Signing in to Asana. First, head over to Asana and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your admin dashboard, where you can manage your tasks, projects, and team members. Step 2. Navigating to your project. Next, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see all the available tools and commands for your Asana account. To delete tasks, we need to access a project where those tasks are located. So, let's click on Projects and select the project you want to work with. Step 3. Choosing the list view. In order to delete multiple tasks, it's best to use the list view. The timeline or calendar views can show tasks but are less practical for bulk actions like deleting. The list view allows you to see all your tasks in one place, which makes selecting and managing them much easier. Step 4. Selecting multiple tasks. Now, let's select the tasks we want to delete. Click on the first task you want to delete. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last task in the group you want to select. This will select all the tasks in between. For example, let's say we're selecting 3 tasks to delete. Once you've selected them, you'll see them highlighted. Step 5. Deleting the tasks. With the tasks selected, look for the More Options button, usually represented by 3 dots or an ellipsis at the top of your task list. When you click it, you'll see various options, including moving tasks between sections, editing project details, assigning tasks to team members, setting due dates, and of course, delete tasks. To delete the tasks, simply click on Delete Task. A confirmation pop-up may appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete these tasks. Once confirmed, the tasks will be removed from your project. If you accidentally delete tasks or change your mind, Asana does offer an undo button that you can use immediately after the action. This is useful if you realize you made a mistake and want to restore the tasks quickly. For even quicker task management, you can use the task pane on the right side to make bulk changes. Select tasks from the list view, and from the task pane, you can also perform mess actions like changing assignees, due dates, or deleting tasks. Step 6. Verifying deletion. Once you've clicked Delete Tasks, the tasks will be permanently deleted. Make sure to double-check that they're no longer listed in your project. Remember that deleting tasks is permanent, so it's always a good idea to ensure you won't need those tasks again before deleting them. And that's it. Deleting multiple tasks in Asana is really straightforward when using the list view and the Shift key to select multiple tasks. It's a quick way to keep your workspace clean and organized. If you often find yourself deleting multiple tasks, using the bulk edit options or archiving completed tasks can help streamline your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.